Mastering idioms. Understanding, miss the mark. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, miss the mark. This idiom is commonly used in English, and understanding it can greatly enhance your conversational skills. So, let's dive in and unravel its meaning together. Miss the mark is an idiom that means to fail to achieve the desired result or to fall short of the intended goal. It's often used in situations where someone's efforts or attempts don't meet the expectations or standards. This phrase has roots in archery, where missing the mark literally meant failing to hit the target. To understand miss the mark better, let's look at some examples. 1. In work, the new advertising campaign missed the mark and didn't attract as many customers as we hoped. 2. In personal life, I tried baking a cake for his birthday, but I think I missed the mark. It didn't taste as good as I wanted it to. These examples show how this phrase can be flexibly used in different contexts. A common mistake learners make is using miss the mark in a literal sense. Remember, it's a figurative expression and is used to convey a metaphorical failure, not a physical one. Let's practice. Try forming sentences using miss the mark in various scenarios, maybe in a business meeting, a personal goal, or a project. This will help solidify your understanding of the idiom. And that's a wrap on miss the mark. We hope this video has helped clarify this idiom for you. Remember, mastering idioms is a fantastic way to sound more like a native speaker. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.